Welcome to my fetching art channel. Drawing a beautiful flower involves attention to detail and patience. Start by sketching the basic outline of the flower's petals lightly with a pencil, or you can use the pointer or pen. Then add more definitions to the petals by gradually darkening the lines and adding curves and shapes to mimic the flower. Pay attention to the center of the flower, adding details like stamens and pistils. Use shading techniques to create depth and dimensions, making some areas darker to imply shadows and others lighter to suggest highlights. Experiment with different colors and texture to bring your flower to life. Drawing is important for several reasons. Firstly, it's a form of express that allows us to communicate ideas, emotions, and stories visually. Second, it enhances observational skills by training us to see details, proportions, and relationships in the world around us more keenly. Additionally, drawing fosters creativity and imagination, encouraging us to think about books and explore new ideas. Here is a beautiful drawing of a flower. Drawing is not just about creating petri pictures, it's a fundamental skill that can be applied in numerous ways. Even outside of professional constraints, drawing can be a valuable tool for personal expression, creative exploration, and self-discovery. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching this video.